Invasive plant species such as wattle, pine, and gum pose a significant threat to the delicate ecosystems of our precious wilderness. Their unchecked proliferation across the region has threatened regional biodiversity and severely disrupted the intricate web of life that sustains local plant, insect, and animal populations. But local residents are working hard to make a difference on this front, investing time and energy into clearing out invasive plant species to facilitate the restoration of endemic plant life. Anna Witt, a seasoned expert in invasion biology with over 2 decades of experience, has dedicated his life to this mission.
We'd lose 56% of our water runoff if invasive plants were not managed. And water is a very precious resource in South Africa. And here we have invasive plants that are rapidly invading our landscape, displacing indigenous plant species and all the associated organisms, posing a fire risk and reducing water. If we could remove all the invasive plants from wilderness, we could probably increase habitat for wildlife by 70%, 80%.
Using approaches such as pulling saplings, hand sawing, and ring barking to clear invasive species, these locals tackle the undertaking head-on. Brandon Hare, a local indigenous nursery owner, has spent his entire life living in and surrounded by indigenous forest.
And you can see here, right in front of us, we've got this forest elder and we've got a red currant, which are both indigenous trees. And as soon as we take away this blackwood here, these are going to just start to thrive. Diversity of indigenous trees down here is huge. It's up to 100 species.
For him, the restoration of the already fragile endemic species within this environment is a priority. These clearing projects grant endemic species the opportunity to thrive as biodiversity slowly reestablishes itself. The regrowth of endemic plant species carries profound ecological significance, as endemic plants play unique roles within their ecosystems, often serving as crucial components to local food webs, habitat structures, and soil stability. Amidst the challenges lie stories of hope and resilience. Through the efforts of these responsible locals, who are transforming clearing initiatives into active restoration, we can see a clear path towards harmonious coexistence with our environment.
We are so lucky. We're living in this amazing, diverse ecosystem. The only floral biome in the world, that's contained in one country, South Africa. And we can't afford to lose it. We've got to, and invasives are one of the biggest threats. We've really got to do more to protect it. And anyone can cut down a pine tree. Anyone can cut down a wattle. Anyone can pull a wattle or a pine seedling. You don't need any equipment at all. You just need your hands, that's all.
By placing environmental responsibility and awareness at the forefront, we can all play our role in restoring biodiversity to our precious wilderness.